Hello students, all of you, welcome to Future Doctor Neet Academy. In this we have problem solving section, Chemistry 2023 DEET examination. So every day we are giving some problem in physical chemistry. It will be very useful to you. So one day before we are giving questions, the next day only we are giving solutions. So before attend the class, all of you, you should know some formula as well as concept means it will be very useful to you. Okay. Now, can we go to the first sum? Okay. So easy one. In solution chapter, here we have so many formulas are there. Here so many topics are there. So first of all, you should list out the problem formula. Then only it will be easy to understand these sums. Okay. So we have in colligative properties, you know that we are under this we have 4 properties are there. You know, vapor pressure, you know, freezing point, you know that boiling point, you know that osmotic pressure. So based upon, I selected some important, very important, most important questions. Okay. Now see the first one. What weight of glycerol should be added to 600 gram of water in order to lower its freezing point by 10 degrees Celsius? Okay. So this is also one of the colligative properties. Here based on freezing point. So freezing point means you know the formula. Then only you can do the sums. See the formula is, you know, here del TF is equal to KF into M. In again KF, M nothing but you know molality. W2 by M2 into W1 into 1000. This is a formula. So freezing point is given means you must know the formula. Okay. Now see the sum. What weight of glycerol? So glycerol is a solute. Okay. It should be added in 600 gram of water. So water is a solvent. Okay. So always we consider one is considered as a you know solvent. 2 is considered as a solute. Understood? So here, see, if you add glycerol to water, lower its freezing point by 10 degrees Celsius. So this is called, you know, depression of freezing point. So in this place, we should put what? 10. Understood? Kf nothing but it's a freezing point constant. So this sum is not given, but it's a known value. They will give Kf. Okay. W2, I told you, W2 nothing but is a solute. What weight of glycerol? So that's a solute. That only we have to find out. So that is what? Unknown quantity. Keep as it is. M2 nothing but molecular mass of glycerol. So glycerol means the molecular mass, you know that the molecular formula is C3H8O3. This one is given in the sum. So you know that carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, oxygen is you know 16. If you multiply all this, we are getting the value. Okay, so the molecular formula is C3H8O3. The molecular mass is you are getting, you'll be getting what? 92. Okay, you substitute here. Okay, into W1. You know it should be added in. I told you one always you know solvent is added in 600 gram of water. So 600 gram. Okay, everything in kilogram. Then I put 1000. Okay. Then if you rearrange and simplify means we get the value of W2. So in this case, the value will be nearly to 296 point something. 296.5 will be getting. So that W2 nothing but we get what? 296.5 gram. Okay. Then only so this answer is nearer to this one. Then only in the sum. Option B is the correct one. Understood? Are you following? Okay. So now let us go to the second sum. Okay. So this also similar to that sum. See here when 20 gram of naphthoic acid, the formula is given, is dissolved in 50 gram of benzene. Okay. So the 20 gram is the solute, 50 gram is the solvent. Understood? Then Kf value is given. Then freezing point depression of 2 Kelvin is observed. Then the Van factor. They are asking the Van factor. Nearly same first sum we have seen, no? Nearly same sum. See, the formula will be one more small things we have to change them. That is I, Kf, M. Okay. I nothing but is called Van factor. This one they are asking. Okay. Then you know that Kf. Once again I write the formula. Kf, M nothing but is called molarity. You know that W2 by M2 into W1 into what? 1000. So this is a formula. So you know the formula, nothing. This is okay. See, just like the first sum, similar sum. So freezing point depression by 2 Kelvin. So when we add this solute to solvent, this much changes in freezing point. So this is given. So the 2 Kelvin is given to I only is unknown quantity. Understood? They are asking only I. Van factor nothing but I. Then Kf is given. That is 1.72. Okay. Then W2. I already told you 20 gram of naphthalate acid is dissolved in 50 gram of solvent. Okay. So I get 2 nothing but 20. This is W. Then naphthalate acid. That is they given C11H8O2. So you have to multiply all this. Carbon 12, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16. If you multiply all this, we see carbon is 11 into 12. Understood? Hydrogen is there are 8 hydrogens, 8 into 1. Understood? Oxygen is 2 into 16. So if you add all this, we are getting the value. Understood? If you add all this, we are getting the value. If you multiply, I know the answer. Then I am saying this value will be nearly 172. You will be getting the value nearly 172. Okay. Then into 1000 by W1. You know what? 50. Okay. So the unknown quantity is called I. Okay. So you rearrange and simplify means you could get the answer. The answer will be it will be what? 0.5. So this is a method. Understood? So are you following? Okay. See this carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. You must know this is it's atomic mass. You must know. They are given only the molecular formula. From the molecular formula, we can find out the molecular mass. Understood? You substitute here, we can get the answer. Understood? Okay. Now we can go the next sum. Okay. So we have 4 colligative properties. The 4 kind of properties I gave some sums. See, this is calculate the mass of non-volatile solute. Molar mass 40 gram per mole is given, which should be dissolved in 114 gram octane to reduce its vapor pressure to 80%. So this is a question. Okay. First of all, we should know what is it. What type of colligative properties you must know. This is nothing but what? Lowering of vapor pressure. That properties. Understood? Okay. Immediately you must know what? The formula. What's the formula? You know that formula is what? P naught minus P by this is the formula. See, I already told you, calculate the mass of non-volatile solute. Solute nothing but we consider it's 2. Okay. Suppose for example W2, for example M2, always nothing but is called solute. Understood? Okay. So calculate the mass of non-volatile solute. This only unknown. Okay. So solute, its molar mass. Its molar mass given. So what? 40. Understood? Then one nothing but one and all. So suppose W1, M1, these are all we consider as what? Solvent. You following? This you must know. Then only it will be easy to solve the sums. Okay. Okay. M1. It should be dissolved in 114 gram of octane. 114 gram, nothing but here W. Weight, no? 114. Understood? Right. Then M1. Octane. What is octane? Octane is a alkane family. It has one formula. Is there? You know that? Cn H2n plus 2. That's the formula. It's octane family. No. So octane means here C C8. C8 H18. I already told you one carbon 12, one hydrogen 1. If you multiply all these, we are getting the value is what? 114. That's the molecular mass of octane. Okay. Then come to the left hand side. If you add the solid to solvent, okay, reduce its vapor pressure to what? 80%. Okay. Suppose generally we considered initially is what? Initially it's 100%. Understood? Are you following? P naught nothing but vapor pressure of the solvent. Okay. Suppose here to the solvent if you add solute, then only vapor pressure reduces. Okay. Reduces what? To the P nothing but what? Vapor pressure of the solution reduces to 80% divided by 100. You following? Then if you simplify, we will get the answer. The answer will be nearly, no, this will be cancel, Okay. Then this will be what? 100 minus 80, 20 by 100. This is equal to W2 by 40. Understood? Okay. Then you cross multiplication or simply cancel. Okay. This also you can cancel. Okay. Then multiply. Therefore, W2 is equal to 8 gram. So answer is what? Among the 4 options, A is the correct option. Understood? Okay. Are you following? First of all, you should know the formula. Then only it will be easy to understand. Okay. Next one. Okay. This is another concept. So each and every concept, I said one problem. Simple one. This is a 500 gram toothpaste sample has 0.2 gram fluoride concentration. What is the concentration of fluorine in terms of ppm level? Okay. You know that what is ppm? What is ppm? ppm means parts per million. So you have to compare 1 gram in 10 power 6 gram. Okay, that's called parts per million. Okay, that's called ppm. So formula is, general formula is, that sample mass by total mass into, simply I'll write sample, okay, sample mass by total mass into 10 power 6. See, 500 gram toothpaste sample has 0.2 gram fluoride ion. Okay, so total mass is what? 500. Understood? The sample has 0.2 gram fluoride ion. That we should put in numerator into 10 power 6. So million, no. Then we put 10 power 6. Then if we simplify means you can get answer. Okay. Suppose here, 0, 0 cancel. It becomes what? 4 times. Then if you multiply, we get what? 2000 by, understood? 2000 by 5. Okay. Then if you simplify means answer will be what? Nearly 400. So answer is C is the option. You need to follow? Simple one. Next one. Are you following? Okay. This is also very simple sum. See, 120 gram of urea is present in 5 liter of solution. The active mass. That's all. Simple one. So active mass A is equal to N by V. That's the formula. Understood? A is equal to N by V. N nothing but number of moles. Number of moles means, mass by molar mass into V. Are you following? N nothing but number of moles. V I put as it is in the same place. Okay. Then see the sum. 120 gram of urea. Urea is a weight. I put it here 120 by. It's urea. They didn't give the molecular mass. So you must know the molecular mass is. What's the molecular formula is of urea is NH2 CO NH2. Okay. If you add all this, nitrogen, we have 2 nitrogen, no? So what? 2 into 14, 28, 4 hydrogen, no? 4 hydrogen. So 4 into 1, we have 4. 1 carbon is present. So 1 into 12, we have 12. 1 oxygen is present. So 1 into 16, we have 16. If you add all this, tell me the total. Nearly 60. Understood? Nearly, 60 is coming. So you put it here. Then, dissolve in 5 liter, no? 5 liter. That's why you put what? 5 here. Understood? If you simplify means you get the answer. Understood? So this will be 2 times. Okay. Now get 0, 0, cancel. Okay. 2 times. Okay. This is 1 time. 2 by 5. Answer will be 0.4. That's answer. C is the correct answer. Understood? Simply remember the formula is A is equal to N by V. Understood? Very simple sum. Okay. Are you following? Small elements you must know the atomic mass. Then only it will be easy to find out. The 60 they won't give. You must know. Okay. Sometimes they will give only the formula. Formula only they'll give. You have to find out the molecular mass. Understood? Okay. Next sum. Simple sum this and all. Vanta factor for dilute aqueous solution of the strong electrolyte bearing hydroxide. Okay. They are asking to find out only the Vanta factor. Okay. So barium hydroxide. If you put barium hydroxide in aqueous solution, how it becomes? What's the formula for barium hydroxide? BaOH twice. If you put in water, how it becomes? It becomes into barium valency 2, no? Barium valency here. So Ba2 plus OH minus OH. The charge is minus, but 2 times no, we put 2. So how many ions are produced? Ba2 plus 2. Okay. Here this is, so they are asking to find only I value. No, I value nothing but simply I is equal to particles after dissociation by before dissociation. That is simple formula. Okay. Particles, I simply write after dissociation by before dissociation. Following? The particles or number of particle, I simply put number of. Okay. Okay, number of particles after dissociation by before dissociation. Say after dissociation, how many particles? After dissociation, it becomes 1 plus 2. We have 3 particles. Understood? Before dissociation, we have before dissociation, it is considered as a one molecule. So it is not dissociated. Generally, we consider it as a 1. Okay. So number of particles after dissociation, nothing but we have 3. Particles before dissociation is considered as a 1. So answer is what? 3. So the I value is what? 3. So among this, you know that option C is the correct answer. Understood? Okay. Are you following? I think the first 3 sums only somewhat big sum. Others are somewhat very easy one. Okay. The last sum. This also based on matter factor. See, what will be the degree of dissociation of 0.1 m magnesium nitrate solution if Vanta factor is 2.74? Okay. In this sum, the Vanta factor is given. Okay. They are asking to find out only the degree of dissociation. That's called. This only they are asking. This is called nothing but alpha. Also, we have a simple formula. So first I write the formula for that. You know, alpha is equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1. This is the formula. You follow it? Okay. Now you can substitute as it is. Now you know that magnesium nitrate in solution. No, just now we found out. No, magnesium nitrate means whenever it is in solution, how it will be. Okay. Magnesium nitrate twice. Okay. Okay. It is dissolved in solution. It becomes what? Mg2 plus 2NO3 minus. Understood? Okay. Now we can substitute as it is. Simple one. They are asking to find only alpha. I means it is given. If Vanta factor is Vanta factor nothing but this is called what? This is nothing but what? I. This is given. So I is what? 2.74 minus 1 by n nothing but number of particles in solution. If you dissolve magnesium nitrate in water, it produces what? 1 magnesium ion and 2 nitrate ion. So totally 1 plus 2, you got what? 3 ions are there. Then I put 3 minus 1. So you know that it becomes what? 1.74 by, understood? 3 minus 1, we have 2. It will be 0.87. You following? Okay. They are asking to find out the percentage. Then only if you multiply by 100, we get the answer. So it is what? 87%. Are you following? So among these 4, which is the answer? B is the correct answer. Understood? Okay. I think it will be easy to you. So simply remember all of you. Go through the formula is very important. So if you know the formula means you can be able to solve the sums very easily. Okay. I hope you understood everything. Okay. Thank you.